In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a USA phone number, and this phone number can be used for anything you want to, ranging from survey verification, people account creation, making calls and receiving calls, and anything you can think of. And considering that you have access to this phone number for life, it goes to say that you're getting this phone number almost for free. This phone number is just the same thing with when you have a US SIM, but just that this one is not a physical SIM card. Now we're going to be using Google Voice number for this, and if you know what Google Voice number is, you know that Nigerians and people living outside of the US are not allowed to create a Google Voice number, but in this video we're going to find a way around it. I've shown us a different platform before, and for some of us who use this platform, we are faced with limitation. Before now, we didn't face the limitation, but we're facing it right now. Now, when you use a particular number to create an account for something, for surveys especially, when it's time for withdrawal and time to verify that survey account using the same number that you used to create the account, you get faced with the limitation of not having access to that same number. And if you're paying to keep a number for one full month, you know it's a lot of money. You know how expensive it can get over time, right? But for this one, you're just making the payment one time and you get to keep the phone number forever. Let me recap this in case you did not get this clearly. For the method I'm showing us in this particular video, you just get to buy the phone number once, make the payment once, purchase it for one time, and then you get to keep the phone number or the account forever without renewing the payment. Now, without further ado and without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Let me show you what you're going to need to do. But before I do that, guys, it's important that I introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, The Grind Academy, is I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. Now, without further ado again, let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to share with us how to do this, and to actually do this there are three different strategies. So the first one here is, if you have someone who's in the United States, you can actually go on to call them and ask them to help create this account for you. They have to create a new email for you, and then with the new email they create the account, and then they get on to sending you the login details to the email, login, and you start working. Now the second one, you have to buy proxy. Use a proxy, change your address to appear that you're in the United States. Now use this proxy to buy the US phone number. I've made a video showing you guys how to get a proxy, where to get a proxy from, and how to set it up. Now the third one, which is the most perfect one for me, is that you get to get this account from somewhere, right? So the people who already created this account and are ready to offer it to you at a specific amount. And remember, you pay for it the one time, you have access to it forever. So you don't want to go through the hassle of having to call someone. Now, if anyone in the US, you don't want to go through the hassle of getting a proxy, setting it up, and then going through the hassle of creating the Google Voice account. This method is for you. So there's this platform where you can actually buy software, digital tool at a discounted price. In this platform too, you can actually buy a Google Voice account. So this platform is no other one than Megaply. I'm going to put it up somewhere here. Now, this Megaply software, once you get on it, I mean, you can see my screen right now. Once you get on it, you're going to go down and you see secure crypto payments method. So all you have to do is create an account with the software. Once you create an account, log in, and then buy account. And I'm going to show you how it works. So let's come over right here. And we can see the things that they're selling. I mean, they're selling Grok for $7. Super Grok for $7. And you know it costs more. It costs more. They're saying Amazon gift guys of $100. They're selling for $95. And I mean, you know basically that things are cheap right here. So what I have to do is click on login / sign up. Okay, now we have here email address. So if we already have an account, just fill information and then log in. But we don't have an account, so we're going to create one. So you have all of this information, and your phone number is optional. And once you have all of that information filled in right here, you want to click on create account. And once you've clicked on create account, it's easy peasy, you've created an account. Now my guy is going to walk you through the rest of the video.
So follow these simple steps to get your own Google Voice number. While you are logged in on Megaply, just click on the menu icon, then click here. This is where you will see a lot of products and accounts that you can get. Just click the search box and search for Google Voice. You will see a lot of options here. You can choose anyone you like because they are all the same. After that, you will see the details here. Now you can select any number of Google Voice you want. As for me, since I am setting up this one for one person, I will leave it as 1. Then click here and confirm the action. That's it. After that, you will be taken to this section of your account. Here you will see all the items you have gotten from Megaply. As for me, I've gotten over 43 items on this website. Some of them have even expired. Now, you need to copy the details of the Google Voice you just got. So click access content because you need to add the details to your phone so that you can access the Google Voice. If you click on the view details button, you'll be taken to this page. Here are all the details you need to access your Google Voice account. Just copy them one by one and paste them inside a notepad because you will use them later. Aside that, you will also see all the detailed instruction of how to use the Google Voice you just got. That's why Megaply is good, because you get instant access to your account and you also get detailed description of how to use it. If you already have experience on using Google Voice, then it should be easy for you. But as for those people that haven't used Google Voice before, you will need to log in with the email details on your phone. Then you will download the Google Voice app. You will need to log in with the email details on your phone. Then you will download the Google Voice app. The first thing you need is to add the email to your phone. So open your settings, then click on account. Here, scroll down and click add account. Then click Google. This is where you log in. Just enter the email address here and click next. Then enter the password here and click next. After adding the Gmail account, you can use it to access your Google Voice. So this is how to use your Google Voice number for calls, text, and verifications. There are 2 methods of using your Google Voice number. The first method is to go to voice.google.com and log in with the Gmail. But the second method is better. All you need is to install the Google Voice app. You can install the Google Voice app from Play Store. Here is the app on my phone. Now open it. Just click switch account. Then here you can select the Gmail account you just added. After that, you will be logged in with the Gmail. To see your Google Voice number, just click these 3 lines, then click settings. You will see your Google Voice number on the top of the page. Now, anytime someone calls your number, you can pick up the call here. You will also be able to receive text messages and verification codes. Survey websites also work perfectly with this number, and you can also make calls. Anytime you call someone using your Google Voice number, they will see this number instead of your main number. You can use this number to open PayPal, open WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. And the best part is it never expires. Now here is the last thing you must do to secure your Google Voice account. You need to set a very strong password to protect your account. Because if anyone have access to this Gmail account, then they can use your Google Voice number. I believe you already know how to change your Gmail password. So if you follow these steps correctly, then you will now have your own Google Voice number.
I know you've gotten value from this video so far. Now, to show us appreciation, be sure to leave this video with a like, drop a comment, and join the community. And that said, guys, I'm going to see you in the next one.